And I will close with this, Mr. Attorney General. You can't tell us today that this individual would not be eligible for a payout from this fund. I find that obscene. And I'm going to ask you one last time. You keep comparing this case to the Keep Eagle case. In that case, as you've admitted, a judge ultimately signed off. I'm asking you, before you proceed with this fund, will you have a federal judge sign off on it?
I didn't compare the cases. What I said is the commission that we set up yesterday is nearly identical to the commission that was set up during Keep Eagle. So please, you repeatedly put words in my mouth, and then you say, "Oh, I'm playing wordsmith." Words matter,
Mr. General. So they do matter. You said they were. I got. Look, the transcript will speak for itself.
It will.
But you compared in your own release. In the Department of Justice's own release, you compared it to this case. And in this case, a judge signed. My final question is, will you agree, as they did in that case, that before you proceed with this fund, a federal judge will sign off and approve it? Will you agree to that?
There's no federal judge. So there's no mechanism.
Actually, there is a federal judge presiding over this
case. The case was dismissed by the judge last night.
Yeah, because you moved to create this fund.
I didn't move. I did not move.
The settlement result, Mr. Attorney General, come on. So So you're not going to submit this proposal to any federal judge or independent?
There is no judge.
Any independent authority?
What does that mean? An independent authority? What does that mean?
It means not somebody who's getting to pick 5 of the members who was the president's former personal attorney. That would be somebody who would be independent.
I'm the acting attorney general, okay? The fact that I used to be President Trump's lawyer is just a fact, but I'm the acting attorney general. So don't say the president's former personal lawyer will do something. The acting attorney general will do something.
Mr. Attorney General, you are acting today like the president's personal attorney, and that's the whole problem. You have a whole banner of his face hanging over the Department of Justice, and you and everybody else walks under it. And you are acting like you're his current personal attorney. Mr. Chairman, I have no further questions.
Support journalism you trust. Support PBS News. Donate now, or even better, start a monthly contribution today.